Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, and in today's vid guys, I'm going to show you how I made 50 pips selling Canadian dollar Swiss franc, and it was simple, right? If you stay till the end of the vid guys, I'm going to show you how price action made this a simple, easy to read trade, okay? So let's get started. So on my screen, what you're looking at is my trade taken a couple of days ago. Okay, it's Canadian dollar Swiss franc sell. This was my entry, this was my stop loss, and this was my first target. Okay, I put these trades in my VIP Trading Academy every day. So you can see that I've taken this trade a couple of days ago. We're going to remove that now, but basically, this is the H4. It was a H4 entry. I entered here, put my stop up here, and then took price eventually down to here. And this was 50 pips, okay? Now, what I'm going to show you guys is why I took this trade and why it was such a high probability trade, okay? So we're going to do this by doing a top-down approach, right? Every time frame, we're going to start with the weekly time frame. And we are going to go back in time because this weekly candle wasn't here. Right? So at the start of the week, right, I am seeing this for Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So I'm looking at each time frame to support my sell idea. And it did, right? So Canadian dollar Swiss franc, we are in an uptrend. And then we break down. As soon as we break these lows, we're in a downtrend. We get a retrace to what was once support becomes good resistance. We also have the moving average 20 as resistance. And then we get these very nice bearish weekly candles. Okay, so the weekly chart is clearly telling me to sell this potentially back down to here, but I wanted to take profit at the first big psychological level. All right, so weekly was telling me to sell. If we drop to the day chart now, let's come out of this, okay? And we just go back to this candle here, right? A couple of days ago. Because this candle here, this very daily candle, gave us a daily structure break. So let's understand that as well. So we was in an uptrend, yeah, higher highs, higher lows. We stopped making higher highs. And in fact, we made lower highs. And then price come down and broke these lows here. So now we have lower lows and lower highs. We are in a downtrend. So that also supports the sell idea, right? You can see how multiple time frames we're starting to paint a picture. So weekly and daily have told me I can sell. And remember, our target is back down to here. Now, if we drop down to the H4, which is usually my entry time frame, okay, all we're looking for, right, is, a break of a key level and a retest. So you can see price broke this key level, right, with this candle here. This was the first candle to break it because the body closed below. Right, and now all I'm waiting for, guys, is like a retest into this gray zone and a bearish reaction. Okay, so let's play price along. Okay, so there you go, guys, right? Price has retraced to our area of interest, our resistance level. We've got a nice bearish wick rejection at that level. We're below the moving average 20. H4 is also in a downtrend, okay? So there's lots of confluence with this trade. Yeah, you've got weekly, daily, and now H4 telling us to sell this pair. And as you know, guys, with the trade example I showed you, my trade idea, entered here, stop up here, and the idea was to take it back down to that blue line, okay? So if I come out now, yeah, zoom out a little bit, and we'll just play this trade along, you can see that price came down pretty fiercely, and we managed to hit target. I mean, you could have even let this run, guys. Yeah, even leave some profit on to run. So guys, that is how I made 50 pips using price action. If you've enjoyed this analysis and you would like to receive my trade ideas every single day and how I trade them, then please come join the channel. Also smash the notification button so you receive an alert every day. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Come join us. I'll see you soon.